LMSolutions presents Feeling stressed out? In need of a quick relaxation fix? Welcome to Instant Calm, your gateway to tranquility. Our mission today is simple, transformative, to equip you with a swift and effective mindfulness technique that can alleviate the weight stress. This technique is as natural as it gets, harnessing the power of your own breath. So whether you're caught in the hustle and bustle of life, or simply seeking a moment of peace, get ready to find your inner calm through mindful breathing. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and share and subscribe to our channel. Check out our created Serenity in Motion, smooth relaxing meditation playlist for more relaxing videos. Stress can creep up on us in many forms, and it's important to understand how it affects us. Just like a shadow, stress can follow us around, subtly influencing our thoughts, feelings, and actions. When we're under stress, our bodies react in a specific way. It's called the fight or flight response, a primitive automatic reaction designed to protect us from danger. Our heart rate increases, our muscles tighten, and our bodies produce hormones like adrenaline and cortisol to help us face the perceived threat. But what happens when this response is triggered not by a real danger, but by our modern-day worries and anxieties? Over time, chronic stress can lead to health problems like heart disease, high blood pressure, and mental health disorders. Stress also plays with our minds, affecting how we think and feel. It can make us irritable, anxious, or depressed. It can disrupt our sleep, make it difficult to concentrate, and even impact our memory. Understanding the effects of stress is the first step towards managing it. It's crucial to recognize when stress is affecting us and to take steps to reduce its impact. We may not be able to eliminate stress entirely from our lives, but we can certainly learn to cope with it in a healthier way. But don't worry, there's a simple tool to combat stress: mindful breathing. Did you know that your breath is a powerful tool to calm your mind and body? Indeed it is. The power of breath is something we often overlook in our day-to-day lives. Yet, it is ever present, waiting to be harnessed for our own well-being. The secret lies in mindful breathing, a technique that is as simple as it is profound. Imagine a wave. It rises and falls, ebbs and flows. Much like our breath, it has a rhythm, a pattern. It's this rhythm, this pattern, that we need to focus on. By consciously observing our breath, we allow ourselves to sync with its rhythm, to become one with it. This awareness, this connection with our breath, is what we call mindful breathing. When we breathe mindfully, we do more than just inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. We tap into a primal rhythm that has the potential to influence our physiology. Research shows that mindful breathing can lower our heart rate and blood pressure. It can slow down the pace of our thoughts and help us to relax. It's like a natural tranquilizer for our nervous system. But how does this all work exactly? Well, when we breathe deeply and slowly, we activate the parasympathetic nervous system, often referred to as the rest and digest system. This is the part of our nervous system that helps to slow our heart rate and relax our muscles. It's the opposite of the fight or flight response that we often experience when we're stressed or anxious. By focusing on our breath, we send a signal to our brain that it's time to calm down. Our body responds by slowing our heart rate, reducing our blood pressure, and promoting a general state of calm. It's a simple yet powerful tool that is always at our disposal, ready to be used whenever we need a moment of calm in our hectic lives. Now, let's discover how to use mindful breathing for instant calm. It's time to learn the steps to mindful breathing. Mindful breathing is a simple technique that can provide immediate relief from stress and anxiety. It's a practice that requires no equipment, no special setting, and no specific time of day. All you need is a few moments and your breath. Let's begin by finding a comfortable sitting position. You might choose to sit on a chair with your feet flat on the ground, or on a cushion with your legs crossed. The key is to ensure your back is straight but not stiff, allowing for a natural flow of breath. Once you've found your position, gently close your eyes. This helps you turn your attention inward, away from external distractions. If you're not comfortable closing your eyes, you can choose to keep them half open, softly focused on a spot in front of you. Now bring your attention to your breath. You don't need to change it, just notice it. Feel the sensation of the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs and exiting again. This awareness of the breath is the foundation of mindful breathing. The next step is to deepen your breath. As you inhale, imagine the air filling your lungs from the bottom up, like water filling a glass. Draw the breath in slowly, filling your belly, then your chest, all the way up to your collarbone. This should be a long, slow breath, taking about 5 to 6 seconds. Once your lungs are full, hold your breath for a moment. This pause is a space for you to simply be present, to exist in this moment with your breath. It's a chance to create a gentle break in the constant flow of thoughts and worries that often fill our minds. After holding your breath, it's time to exhale. Release the breath slowly, from the top of your lungs down, just like the air was a wave receding from the shore. The exhale should be longer than the inhale, about 7 to 8 seconds. This slow release helps to stimulate the body's relaxation response, promoting a sense of calm and peace. Continue this pattern of deep, mindful breathing for a few minutes. Inhale, hold, exhale. As you do, you may notice your mind starts to wander. That's okay. When it happens, just gently bring your attention back to your breath, without judgment or frustration. With each breath, you're not only nourishing your body with oxygen, but you're also training your mind to stay present, to focus on what's happening right now. This is the heart of mindfulness, and it's a powerful tool for managing stress and promoting well-being. And there you have it, a simple yet powerful technique for instant calm. Like any other skill, mindful breathing becomes more effective with practice. Think of it as a muscle. The more you flex it, the stronger it becomes. And the stronger it becomes, the more you'll be able to call upon it when you need it most. Mindful breathing isn't just for those moments when you feel overwhelmed. It's a tool you can use every day to maintain a sense of balance and calm. Incorporating mindful breathing into your daily routine can be as simple as setting aside a few minutes each day. Mornings are a great time to practice mindful breathing. As you wake up and prepare for the day, take a few moments to focus on your breath. It's a wonderful way to start the day with a clear mind and a peaceful heart. During the day, consider taking mindful breathing breaks. Step away from your work or whatever you're doing for just a few minutes. Close your eyes, focus on your breath, and let the stress of the day melt away. It's a quick and easy way to reset and recharge, and as the day winds down, mindful breathing can help you prepare for a restful night's sleep. Just before bed, take some time to breathe deeply and mindfully. It can help clear your mind and relax your body, setting the stage for a good night's sleep. Remember, the more you practice, the more natural it becomes. So make mindful breathing a part of your daily routine and watch as it transforms your life, one breath at a time. So, what have we learned today? We've embarked on a journey to understand the often overlooked yet profound impact of stress on our lives. We've explored how it can sneak up on us, subtly altering our moods, behaviors, and even our health. But most importantly, we've acknowledged that stress, while a part of life, doesn't have to control our lives. We've delved into the power of breath, a simple yet potent tool that's always at our disposal. We've discovered how our breath, an involuntary action we take for granted, can be harnessed to bring about a sense of calm and tranquility. It's like having a secret weapon for peace and serenity right under our noses. We've learned the steps of mindful breathing, a technique that combines focus and awareness to create a calm and centered state of mind. We've understood that it's not about changing the breath, but about observing it, experiencing it, and ultimately, controlling it. We've also emphasized the importance of regular practice. Like any skill, mindful breathing requires consistency and patience. It's not a one-time miracle cure, but a lifelong practice that can help us navigate the ups and downs of life with grace and resilience. Thank you for joining us today. Remember, your breath is a powerful tool for instant calm. Use it wisely,